Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to view a video of the course schedule in the laulima environment when you're logged on. So you'll see this screen here. Remember in a previous video I said you can access everything from outside of the laulima environment. So that was our home page. And if you were to click on the course schedule here, you would just find a lecture. I apologize for this taking so long. But for example, you would just click on this and it'll work. See, it's going to start to work, but I want to stop it here so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Okay. When you're logged on, I recommend you do it over here like I just did, but if you want to do it over here, here's what you have to do. So you go to the course schedule again, find that same video right here, and you have to right click on it, and you either choose this or this. Either one will work, okay? But if you just try to click on it, it doesn't work apparently. See, I'm clicking and it's not working. So if you right click and then select a new one, it'll work. And it just opened up this new tab. Okay, so again, you can do it in laulima. You have to do that funny thing where you right click and choose one of these, or you can just not be in the laulima environment. Okay, that's it.